contains sample introduction system, capability to handle both aqueous as well as different organic solvent mediums. One-piece torch and unique self-drain assembly makes handling stress-free. Argon gas purity of 99.95% is sufficient enough to run your ICPMS 2030. Requires less than 10 liters per minute of plasma gas for analysis by virtue of mini torch technology. Innovative gas saver mode to run plasma at just 5 liters per minute during standby using eco mode function. Cone interface designed so as to clean your cone system just within few seconds. Allows for tool-free cone removal without breaking the system vacuum. Improved transmission and detection limits, especially for low mass elements. ICPMS 2030 incorporates Shimadzu's proprietary octaplate collision technology. This cell efficiently removes spectral interferences using helium gas, gives you precise results and better detection limits for problematic samples. Contamination-free off-axis ion optics offers maximum ion transmission without any maintenance need. Effectively prevents photons and neutral species from entering mass spectrometer. System includes 2.5 MHz frequency quadrupole made of inert molybdenum material. Performs separation of ions with superior resolution and provides excellent sensitivity. World's first ICPMS to allow addition of any new mass number or element after measurements are done and get the results without reanalysis. Measures trace to macro level element concentrations with 9 orders of linearity using analog and pulse mode. Electron multiplier placed at off-axis angle to further minimize noise signals due to direct hit of neutral particles. ICPMS 2030 is controlled with Lab Solutions software for all your compliance requirements. Ability to transfer data to Shimadzu Lab Solutions central server, having connectivity for all your chromatography as well as spectroscopy instruments. The Method Development Assistant automatically optimizes system performance, helping to deliver accurate and reliable results for everyone. It's also really quick. The Diagnosis Assistant helps to accelerate data review and system diagnosis, making sure the data is consistent and accurate even with complex matrices. The first system in industry to include functions for assisting with analytical method development and diagnostics. ICPMS for everyone.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.